Hey, it's Prodigy Math Pirate here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to level up the fastest in Prodigy. No, actually not the fastest. I'm going to be showing you how to level up faster than membership. Faster than membership, alright? Oh yeah, this is just going to be some amazing video, and you're going to be like happy for the rest of your life, but it's going to take a very long time to get. You want it to be the fastest as you can. It's a long process, but you'll see what I mean. A long time. So, you know that video I made a long time ago? It was like about how to catch the best pets at which pets, and those pets will be at your level. You will catch those. Well, remember how I said there was the average? The average. So, if you don't know, the pets you battle right here on the right side, and they're the average level you battle. So how does this influence if we do it faster or not? Well, lower level pets have lower level health. So what we need to do is we need to battle lower level pets, which are lower level health, which will be faster. We will finish the battle faster because they have lower health. You just easily kill them. Yeah, I know, that's so obvious, right? Yeah, I know, it's just so obvious. So, you don't know, Prodigy is the average. So it takes everything on this side, on my team, where it says it's where you're gonna battle right now, the right side, and it's gonna find the average. So what if we have all good pets? We're gonna battle a higher level pets, which is about the average of those good pets. But what if we have all these level 1 pets? Well, we're gonna battle the average of all these pets. 100, 1, 1, and 1. You're gonna have to get as many level 1 pets as you can onto this board. As you can see, I don't have the last one. Well, how do you get level 1 pets? You can't catch these pets. Well, this is good. This is the part where I'm gonna say it's time for the long process of doom. All right, so you know when you go to the merchant, you go to pets. So when you get these pets, they are literally just level 1. Okay? Yeah, so I don't want to waste my areas. When you get these pets at level 1. So what you need to do is you just need to stuff off your pet board with all your level 1s, and then yourself. And then when you go to the battle, you'll battle the average of that. Well, the average of a bunch of level 1s in level 100, which is my level, is probably going to be really low. Like 30 or 40. Like, that is what you're going to battle. And then you'll battle those pets. And you will battle the fastest in Prodigy. You want to see what I mean? Let me just show you an example if you're like, what is going on? So let me just say, I'm just going to get all these people out. Get out! Put in all my good pets. This guy. Well, these are all like level 99, level 100. So when I go to battle, guess what level pets I'm going to battle? I'm going to battle the average of 100, 100, 199. Well, which is the average level pets. And it's going to be around the average, which is level 96. Well, if I battle lower level pets with lower health, I'll be able to do them quicker. So if I put all my level 1 pets in, I will be able to do this process the fastest. Now I'll be able to battle the lowest level pets. And then I will be able to do it in the fastest time. That is literally how this process works. You just do it in the fastest time. So let me show you an example with that one now. Alright, let me put all my level 1 pets in. This guy. We got this guy. This guy. Yeah, those are all the ones I have. I'll take out all the extra pets. Now when I go to battle, I'm going to be battling a really low level pet. Like a level 40, I guess. And that's going to be 23! Oh my gosh. I think I can kill this literally in just like a few hits. Maybe 1 hit. Yeah, you can literally just do this super fast. Like, compared to a higher level pet, this is going to be faster because they have low health, like I just said before. If you were not listening to me. So now just kill this like in 1 shot compared to taking a longer time, being really bored because you're getting problems you don't like, math problems. Yeah, then you won't be bored in Prodigy. You'll be doing everything faster, and you'll level up faster. That is the great thing. Well, don't you get less stars when you do this? No, you get the equal number of stars. And either way, when you battle a level 100 pet or level 1 pet, which is even better. I know, right? That's what makes this cool, awesome trick thingy work. Which is why this is so awesome. I know, right? Yeah, just get a bunch of level 1 pets with the bracelets, put them in, and you'll be like happy for the rest of your life. Tell everybody, your friends, and yeah. So goodbye, everybody. Hopefully this trick helped you. Actually, it should help you. Yeah, this is Camden Bell's trick. Not mine. He's a good YouTuber. And if you want to see any other tricks, post down in the comments below, or in some other random funny Prodigy videos you want to make. You want me to make. Don't bother. Are you even listening to me? It's like this person is listening to me. Okay, that's creepy. Goodbye.